Hello, namaskar दोस्तों, happy new year, and this is the 2nd January. So today I would like to share that how you can learn English language in 2026. This is the new year, new beginning, new journey, and there would be definitely new struggles. So in this struggle, many of you would be struggling to learn this particular language. So here I am to share with you all that how can you learn this particular language in a easy way, in a smart way, and in a limited time. So there are some steps which you have to follow to speak this language, to understand this language, to learn this language. So first and foremost important thing that this is the language. It is as you speak your vernacular language, your regional language like Hindi, Marathi, and other whatever would be your vernacular language or regional language. You know that speaking language is a art. So learning English is also a art. And you know that art required practice in a perfect way, in a right way, in the right direction. So if you follow simple steps, pragmatic step to learn this language, then definitely that is going to be very helpful without any doubt. So what I would like to suggest you that try to read lot of books, English books. Try to read, try to recall some words, try to find out some meaning, relevant meaning of that particular word. And as you think before speaking in your regional language, try to speak in English. That is a effective way. Definitely in the beginning, in the initial stage, it is not going to be right. There would be fault, and that's okay. You know what is the problem? If we want to learn and want to speak, then we want to speak, perfect in initial stage, and that is a big hurdle, and thereby our confidence decrease as we are not able to speak. Yeah, that decrease confidence. So don't think about that, just try to speak this language, just try to record your videos, or you can do voice recording and hear that voice recording or video, and definitely you will improve. Day by day you will improve, and take a resolution that you have to learn this language in this year only. You have limited time and you can't waste your time to learn this language only, okay, for years and years. So you can learn this language in a effective way, in a easy way, in a limited time, and that is going to be helpful for you all in every field. Even if you are doing anything, if you are doing any private job or any government job, and if you have this language, if you have knowledge of this language, then definitely it will boost your confidence, and you would be able to do you know good in your particular field. So that's a way, and this is the first part of that particular video. Definitely I would like to share steps in my second part. Thank you.